So this is what happened to my account right away. So that's all the steps that we went to do to unlock our account. And now I already unlocked my account. So hello my friend, welcome back to my channel and welcome back. So in this video is I will teach you on how to fix this problem. So if you are encounter this kind of problem in your Lazada, so I recommend you to watch this video until the end because we will fix that problem for you. Okay? So in this tutorial is I will teach you on how to unlock your account in Lazada account. So if you haven't an account earlier, then you can open right now. So I will teach you step by step here. So if you want to know on how to create a Lazada account, so I have a video dyan. Okay, so just watch it. And this video is I will teach you on how to do that. Okay, so make sure though, don't skip this video until the end. So here's what the step. So I will start the tutorial, my friend. So open our Lazada account and skip these ads. Then if you encounter this problem in your account when you want to log in your account before and until now, so we will try. So this is what happened to my account right away. So this say that account is locked. So to fix this problem, when you try to log into another our Gmail, Facebook, or via phone number, so the next step is we will need to tap this unlock button to unlock this Lazada. So the only way to unlock this is via send code via voice call. Okay, so we will try to enter our number here. So for example, this phone number, I will input this in my phone number. Then after that, tap this send code via voice call. That can Lazada send us a voice message in our code. So this is my number. Then send this via voice call. Okay, so here's what. So we will need to accept the call and enter the code. So by the way, my friend, so if you haven't missed your code in your phone number, so you will wait another hour. So don't forget this code.
3, 6. Your verification code is 4, 7, 3, 6.
So this is my verification code. Then I'll already accept the call. Then this is what all set. Your account is unlocked. So this is the good things. So that's all the steps that we went to do to unlock our account. And now I already unlocked my account. After we accept the call, so we will enter the code and automatically we verified it. So this is what. Okay, so the next step is tap the Got It account, the Got It button. And yep, already have an account. So this is my account. And I have already my account here. So this is the easy way to unlock our account in Lazada. So if you like this video, I don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this video, and thank you for watching, my friend. Thank you and God bless. See you soon to my next video. Thank you and God bless. So this is the end of our video. And I hope you like this video and I help you. So if I help you, this my friend, I don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching and see you soon to my next video and God bless.